Hi guys, it's Shipbase here, and this is cabin 7309 on Independence of Seas. It is a promenade view room. So on the back of the door you have all the information about your master station. You have the switch for the light, then you have the wardrobe hanging, and then you've got cubby holes down here, and you've also got some stuff up here as well. Turning around, you have another light switch, you have some hooks, and then you have the bathroom. Here's that switch. Ah, it's funny, there is light. You have a shower, toilet, got some towels, then you have storage in here as well. Then you have more storage up here, TV, and more cubby holes down there. Then you have two bedside tables, one there, and lights and a reading light on each side, and a really nice big double bed. We want these to be put into two twins. This is my sister's cabin with her friend. You can see the way of the ship. This is very interesting, orthodox way. Then you have a sofa here, and the sofa here where the window is. Then you have the desk area where there's storage behind both of these, in here and in here. Then you have the kettle, you have a mini fridge in here which you ask to be stocked, and you've got storage in here as well. You also have a hairdryer over there as well. Got more storage there as well. Quite a bit of storage in this room as well. So yeah, this is a boardwalk, a promenade view. So yeah, you got a view of Cafe Promenade, and yeah, you have views of other rooms. But yeah, it's a really nice sized room, holding up for the age of ship, and you also have the thermostat over there as well. Yeah, so really nice sized room. So if you have any questions about this room, please put in the comments below. We will have to answer any questions you may have about this cabin. Thank you for watching. It's been Shipbase here. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.